Hi all, welcome to engineering graphics classes. Today we are going to check the syllabus for APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University for 2019 beta curriculum. Coming to the code, this is the subject name of engineering graphics, that is EST110 engineering graphics. So in this subject we have 2-hour lecture class and 2-hour practical oriented drawing classes, and the credits of this subject is 3 credits, and this is the revision in 2019 syllabus revision into KTU Abdul Kalam Technological University. And when coming to the preamble of the subject, it is to enable the student to effectively perform technical communication through graphical representation as per global standards. As you know, we have 6 modules including AutoCAD. So after completion of the course, the students will be able to draw the projection of points and lines located in the different quadrants. That comes under first module. So this is the course outcome of first module: draw the projection of points and lines located in different quadrants. Coming to course outcome of the second module: prepare multi-view orthographic projections of objects by visualizing them in different positions. Coming to the third module, that is course outcome of the third module, comes draw sectional views and develop surface of a given object. So we can detail the surfaces by developing the object. So coming to the fourth outcome, prepare pictorial drawings using the principle of isometric and perspective projections to visualize objects in 3 dimensions. Coming to the fifth and the last outcome, that is convert 3D views to orthographic views. So this is the 5th module and this is the last module in the syllabus, but we have one more module for generalizing the subject, that is AutoCAD, and it comes under 6th module. So the outcome of the 6th module is obtain multi-view projections and solid modeling of the object using CAD tools. We have a system and a CAD lab facilities in the college, so we can go through the lab and familiarize all the tools and the development or the extruding portions of 3D development by using AutoCAD. So by studying the subject, students will be able to understand all these aspects in engineering graphics. While mapping of the course outcomes with program outcomes, we have around 12 program outcomes, and each module have weightage 3 for first PO and have one weightage means it is the most weightage area, that is module 3 for PO2, and PO5, that is module 6. By using CAD, by using computer, we can attain PO5. Also PO10 can achieved by module 4, module 5 and using the AutoCAD. So the assessment patterns, we know that we have sessional exams and university examinations. So the sessional exam patterns is like this. For test 1 it is 15 marks, for test 2 it is 10 marks, and end semester examination consists of 20 plus 80, that is 100 marks. For the application we have 10 plus 10 plus 80, and understanding the concepts we have 25 marks, 5 plus 20. So coming to the university examination, we have 100 marks, and for the internal assessment we have 50 marks, and the 50 marks is being divided and it can be shown the later. So moving to the detailed descriptions of the mark distribution for university examination, it have 150 marks for CIE, that is continuous internal evaluation pattern, it is 50 marks, and for ESE, that at end semester examination pattern, it consists of 100 marks, and the duration of the course is around, for the examination is around 3 hours. So in this 50 marks we have split ups, that is attendance, it is 10 marks, And for CIA, for section A, we are conducting the examination by two sections. Section A by 25 marks and section B by 15 marks. Section A, 25 marks is being arranged like that, 15 marks for test 1 and classwork 10 marks. And section B carries 15 marks. Out of this 15, 10 marks for test 1 and classwork 5 marks. This is a split up of this internal CIE internal evaluation pattern of 50 marks and the end semester examination pattern. It will be 3-hour duration with an A4-sized booklet paper with 100 marks. The question paper shall contain 2 questions from each module of section A only. A student has to answer any one question from each module. Each question carries 20 marks. I think you understand the distribution of the marks for university and internal, I think. And the course level assessments are like this. For course 1, that is for module 1, we have 3 main aspects: locate points in different quadrants, problems on lines inclined to both planes, find the true length, inclination and traces of the lines. And CO2, course outcome 2 comes orthographic views of solids and combination of solids, views of solids inclined to any one of the reference plane, also the draw views of solids inclined to both reference planes. Coming to CO3, that is course outcome 3, draw views of solids sectioned by a cutting plane and find the location and inclination of the cutting plane with given true shape of the section. Also draw the development of lateral surface of the solid, also its sectioned views. Course outcome 4, draw isometric views or projections of the solids, draw isometric views or projections of combination of solids, draw perspective views of the solids. It all comes in module 4. Coming to module 5, course outcome 5 is draw orthographic views of solids from given 3-dimensional views. And come to module 6, that is course outcome 6, draw the given figure including dimensions using 2D software, that is AutoCAD or any CAD softwares. Create 3D model using modeling software from the given orthographic views of 3D figure or from real 3D objects. These are the main topics that we have to learn. We are going to learn within the 6 months of time. Okay. So coming to the model question paper, we have a question code, paper code page 3. Have 3 pages like that. Register number, name, and we can. The university name is here, APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University, first semester BTech degree examination, month and year. Course code is EST110, very important. Your course code is EST110, Engineering Graphics. And total marks is 100 for university examination and it consists of 3-hour duration. And the main topics for the examinations are from module 1 we have 2 questions. From module 2 we have 2 questions. Also from module 3 we have 2 questions. Module 4, module 5 also have 2 questions each. And the scheme of evaluation, we have a proper evaluation scheme in this syllabus itself. It's very helpful to students to how to score good marks in this engineering graphics drawing subject. So go through this split ups. When you are learning each topic, you will get a detailed understanding of these split ups of the marks. So better after starting the class or after completing the first module, you can go back through this syllabus and check the distribution of the marks for each steps in the engineering graphics. So it will be useful after at least after one month of time after starting the course. So these are the distributions of the marks and the syllabus. This is a detailed syllabus of engineering graphics. We have general instructions like first angle projection to be followed. Section A, practice problems to be performed on A4 size sheets. So you need an A4 sized sketchbook or something with the A4 sized papers. Section B, classes to be conducted on CAD lab. So that is in your CAD lab that's set in your college. You can practice all the softwares AutoCAD available in your CAD lab. So these are the detailed modules of the syllabus. You can go through the syllabus in detail. Also section B, we have two sections, section A and section B, and each portion have its own marks. And the textbooks preferred by the university are BUT ND, Engineering Drawing, also John Casey, Engineering Graphics, and some other reference books are Anil Kumar, Agrawal, Benjamin, Duff, Kulkarni, Lucien Duff, Varghese, Venugopal. These are some of the very important textbooks in detail. And the split up of the duration of the course, that is each hour having some topics, that is also decided by the university. So each module have our distribution. For first module it is around 9 hours. For second module we have 8 hours, and module 3 has 8 hours. Like that it is being distributed. So it is very clear how you can complete the course in your 6 months of course duration, including university examination and other time also. So from this class you can understand what the syllabus, what you are going to learn from this engineering graphics, and what is the pattern of the examination and all. Hope you understand the syllabus. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.